Hey, welcome back guys. So today on this video, we are talking about money orders, and more specifically, I'm going to go over a couple of tips and information on how to buy a money order at Walmart. So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, if you're not familiar with money orders, basically what they are, they're paper instruments that you buy at various stores, and this is for things like if you're paying rent and they don't accept cash, or you're buying something expensive and they won't accept green cash and they won't take credit cards. Oftentimes people will request a money order because they know that you need to pay cash for it, and the chances of you being able to cancel the money order are pretty small. So it's kind of a secure way to make a payment without having to carry around a lot of cash. But how do you buy a money order at Walmart? That's what we're going to talk about. So be sure to stick around to the end of the video, guys. It's going to be a really quick one, not a lot of steps involved with this. So I just bought this money order at Walmart. As you can see right here, here is my receipt. And I just want to go over a couple of quick tips on this. First off, whenever you buy a money order, the company is going to charge a fee in order to print off this piece of paper. So in the case of Walmart, they charged me 88 cents for a money order. So however much you want the money order for, make sure that you bring the extra 88 cents with you to Walmart. The second thing I want to bring up is you do need to pay cash for these money orders. You cannot buy these with a credit card or a debit card, so you need to bring cash with you for the amount of the money order along with the fee. Also, when you go to Walmart to buy a money order, you have to go to the customer service desk and you want to go to the section that's called financial services. That's where you want to be. I actually went there at about 9:30 in the morning, but the financial services section didn't open until 10 o'clock, even though everyone was there working. So I had to go walk around Walmart and kind of poke around for 30 minutes before that section opened, even though the store itself opens up pretty early. I think that store opens up at 7 a.m. So just kind of keep that in mind. Your Walmart that you shop at might be different than mine, but this one, the financial section didn't open until 10. As you can see down here at the bottom of the receipt, they opened at 10:06 is when this transaction happened. Next, another thing you want to know before you buy a money order at Walmart is that usually they're going to have limits on the amount that they can put on each individual money order check. Most companies, it's going to be $500 as a limit. So for example, if you're going to be buying a $1,000 money order to pay for rent or something like that, you may need to buy 2 different money orders or 3, depending on what the maximum is in your state or at your location. And by buying 3 or 2 separate money orders from Walmart, that's going to double or triple the fee that you are charged. So again, my fee right here was 88 cents. So if I had a large amount that I need to buy on my money order, I would have to pay that fee multiple times. Also, another thing I want to note is that some places do require photo ID in order for you to buy a money order. When I was at Walmart, they did not ask to see my ID, but that could be different for your particular Walmart. If you had to show ID in order to buy a money order at your Walmart, be sure to leave a comment below, let the rest of us know. But as of this video, I did not need to show ID at Walmart. And then once you buy your money order at Walmart, another thing you want to note is that they do not fill in this section over here. You would need to write this in, and this is kind of important. So as soon as you buy your money order, you want to be sure to write this information in. That way, if it's lost, some people can't just easily cash this money order. So you'll need to put in the person or company that you're going to be paying. You're going to need to sign right here, and then you want to put your address right here. Also, when you buy a money order from Walmart, it looks like it's issued through MoneyGram, and their money orders used to have their name printed here as Walmart. But as you can see on this money order, there is no print of Walmart, so whoever you send this to, they're not even going to know it was from Walmart or that's where you bought it from. It just simply says MoneyGram. So once you've bought this, you can see right down here, whoever you send it to can call to verify the funds for this particular money order right here. That way they know this is good as cash for this money order that was bought from Walmart. Also here on the top, it has this perforated line right here. So this is going to be a receipt. You do not need to send this or give this to whoever you're sending your money order to. You will want to go ahead and rip this off, and then that way you have record of your money order number and also dollar amount in case there's any kind of issues. As you can see, it clearly says right here, keep a copy of the stub for your records. And the reason you need this is in case the money order is lost somehow. That's how MoneyGram and Walmart are going to be able to track your purchase and potentially put a stop payment on it or a reissue. Without this information, they're not going to be able to do anything. So again, when you go to buy a money order from Walmart, be sure you are bringing cash because it does need to be cash that you purchase this with. You cannot use a check, a debit card, a credit card. It must be green cash. So that is how you can buy a money order from Walmart. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. But hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel. And I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.